So hello guys, welcome to our new video. So my project topic is Jarvis likes desktop voice assistant. So let's start.
Good morning, sir. I am Jarvis.
What's your name?
Thanks for asking my name myself. Jarvis.
Who created you?
For your information, Amon JC created me. I give lot of thanks to him.
Who are you?
I am Jarvis, an AI-based computer program, but I can help you lot like your close friend. I promise you. Simple try me to give simple command. Like playing music or video from your directory, I also play video and song from web or online. I can also entertain you, I so think you understand me. Okay, let's start.
How you feel?
Feeling very sweet after meeting with you.
Play music.
Okay, I am playing music.
Play video.
Okay, I am playing videos. Sorry, speak again. Sorry. I can't understand, but if you want to search on internet, say yes or else no.
Open Google.
Opening Google.
Bhavan's College.
Sorry. I can't understand, but if you want to search on internet, say yes or else no.
Yes.
Opening Google.
Open VS Code. How are you?
Nice.
Okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
I feeling very sweet after meeting with you, but you are going. I am very sad.